What if the next generation of millionaires isn't made where you think? Every economic era brings new opportunities. Factories built wealth in the past. The internet launched entirely new businesses. Mobile technology transformed communication and finance. Now, a new transformation is unfolding. The biggest opportunities may emerge when technology confronts significant human issues. In this video, we'll explore industries creating massive economic value and uncover hidden business opportunities. Let's dive into our first industry, artificial intelligence. AI extends beyond chatbots. It impacts healthcare, finance, education, manufacturing, and more. Imagine a small company using AI to automate complex tasks. Entrepreneurs don't need giant AI models. They can create products around existing technologies. Think specialized AI software or consulting services. The biggest chance lies in solving specific problems with technology. Next up is cybersecurity. As businesses digitize, protecting data becomes vital. Every company holds valuable assets, from customer info to financial records. Imagine security operations in action, monitoring threats and ensuring compliance. Opportunities abound in security software, employee training, and threat monitoring. As digital asset value climbs, so does the need for protection. Now, let's talk about energy and the electrification economy. Every digital revolution needs physical energy. We see increasing demand in data centers and renewable resources. Opportunities arise in energy storage, grid modernization, and clean technology. Fortune awaits those who innovate in how we produce and manage energy. Next, robotics and automation. Robots are transforming manufacturing and agriculture. They help companies boost productivity and reduce repetitive tasks. Imagine software coordinating an entire fleet of machines. Opportunities lie not just in building robots but in creating software that optimizes their usage. Now, healthcare technology. Healthcare presents huge markets and complex challenges. We see hospitals using wearable tech, telehealth, and diagnostics. Opportunities include software, medical devices, and administrative automation. Profits lie in solving tough healthcare problems while navigating regulations. Moving to biotechnology. Biotech is changing medicine, agriculture, and materials. This field often requires expertise and significant investment. The potential is vast, but not all innovations will succeed. Financial technology is next. Gone are old banking systems. Digital platforms revolutionize how we pay, save, and invest. Opportunities exist in payment systems, fraud prevention, financial education, and more. Many innovations happen behind the scenes, driving business growth. Let's explore water and resource technology. Water is often overlooked but crucial. Growing populations need efficient management of this resource. Think opportunities in purification, leak detection, and irrigation tech. Sometimes, the best businesses solve problems nobody talks about. Next up, space and satellite infrastructure. The sky isn't the limit. Space tech connects to Earth, impacting communication and logistics. Opportunities arise in data services, communication, and Earth observation. Entrepreneurs can find value in software and analytics surrounding satellite tech. Finally, the creator and digital knowledge economy. People are packaging knowledge into businesses, from courses to digital products. Examples include media companies and subscription services. Remember, being popular doesn't guarantee success. The strongest businesses solve problems and build trust. As we wrap up, notice the pattern across industries. Massive problems drive markets. Technology serves customers efficiently. Underlying infrastructure can be extremely valuable. Ownership matters. Transformations take time, but the payoff can be significant. Where should you look for these opportunities? Ask yourself, is there a large, growing problem? Can technology provide a better solution? Can a small company enter the market? Where is the underserved customer? Do you understand the space? Tomorrow's millionaires may not come from one magical industry. They arise from understanding problems, building skills, and creating solutions. Asterisk, the future doesn't announce its opportunities. They look like boring infrastructure or difficult challenges. Early problem solvers may benefit most. This is Finance Flow. Follow the money and uncover the future. In this rapidly changing landscape, it's crucial for aspiring entrepreneurs to remain vigilant and curious. Throughout history, the most successful innovators are those who identify and address pressing issues, employing creativity and technology to develop impactful solutions. Embracing a mindset of exploration and willingness to adapt will open doors to novel business ventures that others may overlook. Whether it's through harnessing the power of AI or improving energy efficiency, the path to wealth is often paved with the willingness to tackle the unsolved challenges of today, fueling the advancements of tomorrow. The landscape of opportunity is vast and multifaceted, as each industry presents unique challenges ripe for innovative solutions. For those willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be transformative, not just for individual entrepreneurs but also for society as a whole. By nurturing a deep understanding of these emerging sectors, you position yourself to generate value and impact in ways that resonate, enriching both your financial success and the lives of others. With dedication and insight, you can become part of the wave driving change and improving the world. What industries will you explore first? Start by examining your interests and the skills you can develop. Identify problems within your community or areas you are passionate about, as they can serve as the foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. Critical thinking and research are key components, enabling you to understand market dynamics and pinpoint opportunities. By aligning your vision with both emerging technologies and long-standing challenges, you carve a path toward creating meaningful solutions that resonate with customers, fostering growth and sustainability. Time and effort are essential, so dedicate yourself to continuous learning and adaptability in this fast-paced environment. In this pursuit, remember, the journey isn't solely about profit, but also about impact and legacy. Innovators who view their work as a service to society can create businesses that resonate deeply with consumers and carve out lasting niches. By prioritizing solving real-world problems, you not only ensure market relevance but also foster trust and loyalty among your clientele. As you embark on this venture, keep a keen eye on the evolving trends and unsuccessful attempts, learning from them to refine your strategies. Recognize that each challenge presents a lesson, a stepping stone to greater success. As you consider your next steps, reflect on the diverse opportunities that lie in uncharted territories. Investigate domains like renewable energy or advancing healthcare technology, where needs are immediate and solutions are burgeoning. Engage with communities and networks that facilitate innovation. These connections will deepen your understanding while also widening your perspective. Collaboration often unlocks breakthroughs that solitary efforts cannot achieve. Embrace a proactive approach, where experimenting with ideas transforms into tangible products or services that drive positive change. Ultimately, your entrepreneurial journey can redefine success by addressing real needs and contributing to a brighter future for all. The interconnected nature of these industries shows a landscape rich with potential. As you explore opportunities, remember that collaboration across sectors can amplify your impact. For example, combining health technology with AI solutions can lead to groundbreaking advances in patient care. You must remain adaptable, keeping your finger on the pulse of emerging trends to identify where your skills meet market demands. By doing so, you position yourself strategically to capitalize on breakthroughs that not only fulfill business objectives but also serve the broader community. Your journey may include uncharted paths, but perseverance and innovation will cultivate success in unforeseen ways. The convergence of technology and human necessity presents an extraordinary canvas for innovation. Entrepreneurs armed with creativity and insight can forge businesses not just to profit, but to make meaningful contributions. As the world grapples with pressing challenges, from healthcare disparities to resource scarcity, those who dare to venture into the unknown will lead the charge towards a better tomorrow. Each industry is intertwined, offering unique perspectives and synergies that can drive collaborative efforts. Embrace the idea that opportunity often hides within problems that seem mundane or overly complex. By focusing on solutions that matter, you can carve out a niche that resonates with consumers and ensures resilience in a rapidly evolving marketplace. The future thrives on your ability to adapt, evolve, and innovate along your entrepreneurial journey. What if you began by exploring your own experiences and the challenges you faced? These personal insights can reveal untapped perspectives and inspire innovative solutions that directly address the needs of your community. By leveraging your unique background, you can identify opportunities that others may overlook, fostering connections that resonate on a personal level. Remember that the stories we bring shape the products we create, guiding our path toward a venture that is not only profitable but meaningful. In this ever-evolving landscape, trust your instincts and let your journey unfold naturally. The journey toward entrepreneurial success demands a blend of creativity and resilience, igniting a spark that can lead to revolutionary insights and breakthroughs. Ultimately, the path you choose can shape not just your future, but also the world around you. By being a proactive problem solver, you can harness the opportunities of emerging industries, turning them into a legacy of innovation and progress for generations to come.